Have you ever realized, Miranda, that in 100 years, all of us will be surely dead, and so will our children, their children, or even our grandchildren? Yung mga apo natin, they're gonna be on the latter years of their life, at perhaps iba sa kanila wala na rin. So, paano tayo maaalala sa mga ginagawa natin today? Probably not na, no? We will just be a name in the family tree. Pwedeng wala ring family tree ang family natin. In as little as 100 years, Miranda, our legacy, whatever it is, will be forgotten and it would not matter. Let's say you do very well today and you get a school named after you or a library or a street. Still, tingin mo ba maaalala ka pa din? So you might then ask Miranda, just like I have been, what is the point of all of this then? Well, ito yung palagay ko. Regardless of how long you have been here on earth, it's not about creating an everlasting legacy. Because it's not about it, it's not about how long it will be because it's not going to last. When you're dead, it doesn't even matter who remembers you. In as little as 100 years, Miranda, you will be completely forgotten. Ang panahon natin sa planetang ito should be occupied by one thing, and that one thing alone is to become the best version of ourselves, to be great people, to walk on earth and living a good life, accepting the challenges we face, knowing that it's gonna be our duty to do so, and that is what we need to do to be the best that we can be. Everyone around you right now will forget about you and will be also gone after 100 years. And everyone around you right now benefits from a better you. Better mother or father, become a better brother, become a better son, a better friend, a better business person, maging makatao ka, maging mas malasakit ka. Salamat ka, Miranda. Di man tayo magkakakilala after 100 years, at least we became a better version of ourselves. I love you 3,000.